From 1850 to 1970, while the Earth's population tripled, energy use rose 12-fold. Now, with more than 7 billion people that burn fuel to keep warm, use electricity to light their homes, and move about in cars, buses, boats, trains, and airplanes, energy use now has to be restrained, and it is a mad dash against time to find a replacement for fossil fuels. We are completely dependent on fossil fuels. From computers to livestock, almost everything we encounter has been influenced by oil. But the burning of fuel produces carbon dioxide, which is released into the atmosphere, adding 6 gigatons of carbon dioxide into our atmosphere each year. In 1956, a geophysicist by the name of Marion King Hubbert developed a theory to predict future oil production. He assumed that for any given oil field, production follows a bell curve. After the well's discovery, production quickly ramps up as new wells are added, but eventually, as oil is drained from the underground reservoirs, the production rate hits a peak, after which it begins to decline, eventually reaching zero. Every day, the average American uses about as much energy as is stored in 7 gallons of gasoline. One of the biggest culprits of energy use is transportation. Transportation alone accounts for about 30% of the world's energy use and 95% of the world's oil consumption. Of the world's 520 million automobiles, more than 200 million of them are driven just in the US. And while America consumes 25% of the world's energy, we hold just 5% of the world's energy resources. A replacement is solar energy. Solar energy, power from the sun, is a vast and inexhaustible resource. In the broadest sense, solar energy supports all life on Earth. The amount of energy from the sun that falls on the Earth's surface is enormous. All of the energy stored in Earth's reserves of coal, oil, and natural gas is matched by the energy from just 20 days of sunshine. Solar power is produced by collecting sunlight on solar panels and converting it into electricity. Solar energy is sustainable and renewable. They require little maintenance and are silent and unobtrusive if placed on the roofs of buildings. There are downfalls though. The panels themselves cost quite a lot to make, and not everywhere is sunny enough to benefit. But no matter what your opinion is of wind, solar, or any other resource, we all agree that we need to make major shifts from our current energy habits to newer and more responsible ones.